It's this. We see a bucket that is used alongside a liquid disinfectant. And we see everything from a disposable cloth to a simple washcloth, and most commonly, microfiber cloths. Let me explain a little bit further. Chemicals are dispensed through a chemical dispenser where they mix with water, and they're supposed to come out at the correct parts per million to ensure proper surface disinfection. This can be challenging. Chemical dispensers can be faulty, and sometimes you're not getting the right amount of liquid. One way that hospitals combat this is they use test strips to test the liquid, but this is an extra step and can lead to human error. And it's not only the liquid that you need to be concerned about, you need to look at your tool, the applicator. Again, a microfiber cloth. Was it laundered properly? How are you managing your inventory? And this process in general can be quite costly. In my years as an EVS director, this was one of the most challenging things I had to deal with. Microfibers would go missing all the time, they'd end up in the laundry, in the trash. And it was really difficult to make sure I had enough product for my staff to do their job. The process I reviewed today mainly talked about liquid disinfectants, and this can be challenging and lead to improper disinfection. Well, let me first start by telling you a little bit about our products. Our formulations are broken down into 3 categories. Quad alcohol formulations. Sandy Cloth Prime is a 1-minute disinfectant. Super Sandy Cloth is 2 minutes and the #1 disinfecting wipe in healthcare. Then we have quat formulations with AF3, which is an alcohol and fragrance-free formulation, and Sandy Cloth Plus, which is a 3-minute quat formulation. Then you go over to your high-level disinfectants, your sporicidals. Sandy Cloth Bleach is your bleach disinfectant to combat C. diff, as well as our newest formulation, Sandy Hypercide, which is the first ready-to-use non-bleach sporicidal. So let me talk about the benefits of our products. They're easy to use, they reduce contact time, and they have enhanced clinical claims. Super Sandy Cloth, as I mentioned, is the #1 disinfecting wipe in healthcare. We've got this great new dual access lid that allows you to pull multiple wipes at a time, or just one wipe, depending on what you need. Our wipes are simple and easy to use. You simply pull your wipe, you wipe your surface for the designated contact time, which we clearly have labeled on all of our canisters, and then you just throw your wipe away and let our products do the work for you. And although you may think, hey, it's just a wipe, PDI differentiates ourselves in the market by our commitment to infection prevention. We have a robust support system, a dedicated sales team, expert clinical science liaisons, and compliance and accessory tools. These all help our customers meet their infection prevention goals. It's all about ease of use, providing products that are readily available, compatible with equipment, clinically effective, and backed by a long history of customer acceptance. Today we spoke about our disinfectant wipes, but PDI has several products that offer a layered approach to infection prevention. You can visit our website at pdihc.com to learn more about PDI and the products and solutions we offer.